it goes back to that consistency of farmland that's pretty fascinating. So if we look at 2008, 2009, 2000, 2001, and similar to the last several years, consistent performance, generally speaking, through those time periods, especially relative to the pretty wild variations and some of the other primary assets that most of us are used to. Within the last couple of years, the example of that would be, call it the 2014 to 2020 period, saw relatively subdued appreciation in farmland. The last few years, we've seen some catch up, some mean reversion towards that long-term trend line. And to back out there, I'm speaking specifically to appreciation. There's also a yield component, right? So as an investor in farmland, you can make money from yield coming off of that land, that being a rent share or revenue share or rent from the farmer. And you can also make money through exposure of the appreciation in the underlying land. The rent tends to be fairly consistent over time, albeit somewhat growing along with commodity price and inflation.